the Ramen Ranger coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got Nutria, which sounds like Nutria. Oops. And their Udon Black Original. I'm like, I have no idea what to expect out of this. I did look in the ingredients, and it mentioned, what do you call it? Cacao. So it's like, is it going to be a chocolate noodle? Is that why it's black? There's a black one and there's a red one. So I've got one of each. So we'll see what's going on here. We got our udon that goes in the bowl. There's the line. Our powder base. Which smells, I'm actually smelling a bit of a chocolatiness to it, which I'm not like thinking is going to be my favorite experience. I really don't know. Let's add liquid to the line. Oh yeah, it's definitely dark. Up to there. And what's the deal? We do that and where's the thingy? There it is. Put in soup, noodle seasoning powder into the cup, fill the line, cook 4 minutes at 700 watts. So we got a 1250, so 80% would be 1,000, so 60% should be, yeah. We'll do 60%. I think that's reasonable. We'll give that a go. That'll be just over 700. Let's do it. And 4 minutes in the old microwave. All right. So. One moment, ladies and gentlemen. You doing okay, Amy? Well, my poor daughter's still not feeling well. She got the barfos. That's no fun. She really likes to go to school and, well, can't really do that at present. Wow. Listen to this. Oh, now that's working. Well, what happens is microwaves, it just is, like, it glitches. Microwaves break up Bluetooth like there's no tomorrow. Like, I'll be wearing my Bluetooth and make my oatmeal in the morning, and all of a sudden it's all... And what's weird is when we cruise around downtown, I've got my phone, and then I've got Bluetooth speakers, and if I get into certain spots, and it's always by City Hall, all of a sudden, boom, it's just like hosed. It'll mess up the, we've got a Fire TV recast over there, which gets and stuff off the... Miles, turn it down, please, from the antenna, and over Wi-Fi pushes it to the Fire TV stick. The microwave messes with that. It's like the microwave puts out a lot of stuff, and I'm pretty sure downtown there must be some kind of box that's using microwaves to do something. I could be totally wrong about that. It just might share the same spectrum, but it's weird. I can have my phone right in my pocket and have my speaker in my waist pack, and if I go in certain spots, it starts doing it, and that's like really close because the signal between the two are like that far apart, and it'll do it. So crazy business, technology, crazy business. So yeah, I don't know, but we've got 41 seconds left to go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Yeah, no fun to be Barfo. That's not good. So hopefully she will be on the mend shortly. At least it's a crummy rainy day. But still, I'm sure she'd rather be going to school on this crummy rainy day. Really sucks when your kids are sick. Hot bowl. Alright, so we need a utensilification. It's a little brothy or foamy. I don't know about that. Here's what we got. I know this is going to be like boiling hot. Miles, turn it down. He really likes hearing himself. Actually, I'm going to give this a really good stir. I think I did already, but I'm going to give it a little more of a stir. Okay. Here's our, I don't know, I wouldn't call it black, but it's definitely dark. It's very sweet. It's like bonito and sugar. And I don't know. It's definitely unique, and I value that. Like, you have no idea how much. I really like unique new flavors, but I don't know about that. Just a little bit of ground beef. Spring onion. sesame seed. I really don't know what else to do to this. I could put a raw egg yolk on top, but there's not a lot of surface for it to hang out. I guess it could hang out right there. Yeah. I'm just like, I like to spend more time on the ones that are like absolutely amazing, but if they're not freaking amazing, I'm not wanting to do it. So, not freaking amazing. Cool, thanks for watching. The next one is from Yashu. This is a biang noodle from China. And I love biang noodle. So it's very wide, very good. So we'll check that next. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.